I enjoy. Thanks so much for stopping the channel. Thanks for also supporting the channel by subscribing. Thanks so much for doing that. Today I'm gonna just use some of the. I'm gonna continue the typography or font or slash typos project that I've been developing with Illustrator, and I'm gonna be working directly with this website. I told you guys in my previous video that I would be working with a font forge software, but the software is really buggy. That was my first time work with the software, not super friendly, and I tried to find a different alternative, and I find GLIPHYR Studio, which is an online software, nice, user friendly, free, you don't have to pay. I mean, straightforward. Whatever you created in Illustrator, you can add it into GLIPHYR Studio. Highly recommend it again. And downloaded your fonts, fully functional fonts. Okay, so this is what we're going to be doing today. So pretty much the way that it works is in your website. Here is the link. Also, the link is posted on the description of the video. Okay, so you just scroll down, go ahead, you have a tutorial website here. A lot of you may use blogs and other resources that you guys take advantage, but let's get down to business. Okay, all right, GLIPHYR Studio Online. So when you click on that, you go ahead and name your font. I'm gonna put Super Font 2023, Super Font 2023. All right, I'm gonna start my font from scratch. So this is the interface of the website, which is really nice. I'm very happy to see the interface of this website. Pretty friendly. So here you have all the places where you're gonna add your fonts and the special characters. You have some other. You have layers. You have attributes. You have history. You have guidelines, which is already placed in nicely for you, with the baseline, which is very important. Accent, if your letters has accents on left side, and shows everything very nice here for you. You have more tools here as well, and other tools here for zoom in, zoom out, and moving things around. Okay, so click on this tool, you can definitely move things around here. Okay, all right, so I'm on the letter A. When you select the letter, you can go ahead and you're gonna see a few options here: left side bearing, right side bearings. Things are set here. Okay, I will not change anything in the software. It gives me pretty nice, when I added my fonts here, my files here, it gives me a pretty nice setup already, so no reason to move things around. So let's dive in. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my fonts by clicking on these three slashes here. Go and import my SVG. If I have many VGs here, I can't do it, but I would just go one by one. Okay, there is scaling, import outlines, import it. It's a lot of things here: accents, caps, heights, descents, a lot of things here already for you. Okay, I would just go ahead to my desktop and find my SGV files that I created in Illustrator. If you missed that video, please watch, because this is the video part 1 that shows how to create fonts in Illustrator. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and go to my fonts, and I'm gonna start with my letter A. I'm gonna just drag and drop it right here. It already gives the code for the letter, which is really cool. It shows the size, strokes, and everything else on it. And I will go ahead and click on edit the selected glyph by clicking on here. Okay, let's see, let me just go back there and see my font again. My font here, let me just do that one more time. All right, I'm gonna click in import SVG, and then is imported already right here, you can see. And I'm going to click on edit the selected. Make sure that you click import, okay? All right, right there, wonderful. So my image is right here, really nice. Very happy for that. I'm going to go ahead and select this button, Command A to select my entire font, and I'm going to just resize it. Okay, so it has the accent section here. I'm going to just resize it a little bit. Right to here. As you can see, there is a lighter guidelines and a brighter one, which the accent is going to go on top, whatever the accent will be. Okay, here say right side, left side, everything pretty nice. Okay, so my accent is on the center. I can go ahead and resize a little bit. Let's see. Let me just give a little bit of space here. As you can see, my font, I don't want my font to be too big because it's already crossing to the what's the name? Accent section. So all right, so that will be perfect, very nice. That I have all the dimensions of it, X, Y, X. What you want is that the fonts to be all the same size, right? That's what you want because you created the fonts there in Illustrator already. So you already know one way to do that to be, let me just go back again. One way to make sure that, let me add the font again, that everything is on the same size. Let me import, it's right there, is that when you resize your font, you hold the shift button, and I'm going to resize to the line that's not very bright, and just hold and add it right very nicely there. So whatever all the other font size will be the same size, because you already resized that in Illustrator. Everything is really perfect there. So here, because when I added the file into the software, the font got smaller, but I will just resize it by holding shift and dragging very nicely to this line. So I surely will not have any problem. Okay, well, I'm going to go ahead and click on a B. I'm going to go ahead and click on import. I'm going to find my B letter, actually right here, import. Make sure that B is selected blue. And I'll just drag it. I can even import right there. I'm going to just go with, you can do the whole thing. You can do one by one, whatever you think that would be great. I'm going to go with my letter C and just do that now. Let me just drag it right there, my C there. Import, great. I have my C here. So I'm going to go ahead with the B selected. I'm going to edit the B, select this tool here with the shape, add it to, Control A to select the entire and just drag it up very nicely there. Cool. Do the same thing with the C. And you can see here something that's really nice. This one I can make a little bit bigger right there. Good. Let me show you how fun it is. So you can see that they are very nicely organized here. Okay. Cool. So for you to save the font when you have everything done, if you want to do just capital letters, lowercase, uppercase, lowercase, numbers, whatever you want to do, you're going to go ahead and click on this button here and save as OTF font. I'm going to go ahead, click on OTF. It's already downloaded for me, that Super Font 2023. And I will go ahead and install the font by just clicking on a font and installing my computer. And I soon will open that in Illustrator. Wonderful. So here I am, Illustrator right now. I'm going to just type the word ABC, capital letters, because that's what the name of the font that I have here is Myriad Pro, because I only created ABC I need to make sure that I'm only type those letters, because if I type anything else, it will not show. All right, ABC, this font here, as you can see, I'm going to just put here another font, okay? But where is my Super Font 2023? Okay, I just installed on my computer. Pretty easy, just put the font inside of your font folder in your computer. Just type it, search that, okay? All right, so I have the font here, this really weird font, and now I'm going to find my Super Font 2023, and I would type here, Super Font. I have my Super Font regular here, okay, that's another super font, but here it goes, Super Font 2023, and you can see already changed very nicely to the ABC that I created, and it works really fine. I can type here many ABCs that I want to, B, C, it would just go, let me show to you guys, let's just type here, ABC with my Super Fonts 2023 right here. See? ABC, not D because I don't have the D. ABC. Cool? So that's how you create a font, the working font on Illustrator. I mean, there's many ways that you can do it, but that's how you can create a fully functional font in Illustrator. Hope you can, and you can color it, you can change the color, you can do whatever you need to do with this, okay? Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe to the channel, and I see you next time. All right, bye-bye.